How to accept Revolut payment. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you on how you can accept Revolut payment, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to accept payments on Revolut, then all you have to do is just go ahead and then first of all launch the Revolut app here. Then once you launch the Revolut app, you're going to basically see this type of interface where you just need to make sure that you're signed into the account. Now to accept a payment, there are many ways. You can send them a link, you can send them an email, or you can enable them as the contact permissions. To do this, you just have to come to the transfer icon here, and then here you can find the new option. You can just tap on new. Now normally when you want to send money to someone, right, you enter the name or either the Revolut tag or the phone or email, or if you have the QR code, you can tap this QR code icon and then you can go ahead and then scan that QR code here, as you can see. But if you don't have those, then you have to create one. To do that, just tap the new option. You can choose to send it to a recipient. If you look at the bottom here, you can see it says create a payment link. So send or receive money with a link. So to accept payment, you need to create a payment link. Tap on this option here and then just make sure to enter whatever else you prefer here. And then once you select the number of anything that you would like to send, you can just tap on the additional note option. Once you tap on additional note, tap on the send money. After that, a payment link will be created. You can use that link to receive money from anyone else as well. That is it on how you can accept Revolut payment. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.